Styling up the kids' room at the cottage is so much fun. And even more fun to get them involved with an easy DIY stencil with their favorite animal. Fusion Mineral Paint has tester-sized paint pots, which are affordable and perfect for this size project. The walls in the room that this piece is going into are painted in Little Whale, a bright yet soft blue. So to fit the theme, we chose this whale vinyl stencil from Homeworksetc. To start, we paint the base with Little Whale. While it dries, to create more depth, we paint the edge of the frame in Casement. Once fully dry, we apply the stencil and press down firmly to ensure there are no air bubbles. Using our Seaside blue, we paint the body of the whale. After 30 minutes of drying, we wanted to add some metallic highlights with champagne gold. Using a dry brush technique, a small amount of champagne gold is lightly dusted onto the surface to highlight the eyes and the shape of the whale. I love using the Homeworksetc vinyl stencils because they're adhesive. Kids can easily achieve this look and get perfectly finished results without any bleed through, leaving them feeling accomplished and having a beautifully customized space all their own. What animal is your kid's favorite? Visit the link below for more kids' stencil ideas.